one section here, this triangle, the most important. These laterals, super important. The back, not so important. You find that with a 1 to 1.5 is a great opportunity for us to have great viscosity within our liner and have good traction within our application. If you as well like to do a little bit more looseness and softness, you can do a 2 to 1, especially if you're doing a depolarizing service. And back up. So I like to go this way with my comb up. It's okay to go with your comb down. What I find is that when you go with your comb down and we really go in really tight, it's really hard to get it out at the basin. It's super hard. What I've done is simplified my life by going up this way at 25%, holding the tip this way, and then just ever so lightly pushing it up in. That's a 25% push right in there. 25% the first one, I'm going 1, I'm going 2, that's now at 50. But notice how soft that is, taking in my foil, and then down just working my way straight through. And I'm just going to pull that in, making sure I give it a nice nudge, repeating what I just did on the first one, sweep up. That was at 75%, by the way, I did 3 pushes. Here. And because we're riding that top corner of the crown, we're starting to see a lot more depth and movement, but with range of lightness on the top. So I'm still going to go in with the same amount of pull out from my weave, and I'm still going to maintain, this was 75, so I'm going to go 25, I'm going to do 50. Why? It's intentional. This is at 75, so the push down is lower, the push up and the color pushes up now at a 50%. And this, my friends, will give you, it's like I find it like a balayage for dummies, that 1, 2, 3 technique that I like to teach, is because it really is foolproof. It really gives you a chance to really take that color and not have to worry about any lines or anything, and having it really be super soft, super transitional. You can see the depth and the darkness, but if you pull, you see some beautiful soft transition when it comes to her sides without any hard lines. Okay, you light from right here, but I'm going to make sure that I have some hair here, leaving a negative space right underneath. Take a comb and just ever so lightly baby light on the bottom. I'm still pulling hair from under here, but I'm still respecting negative space. And now go in as such. Isn't that cool that you're able to get into the traction of the hairline better? I love it. It's just those little things that are really going to make our lives a little simpler. And just think about it even a step further. How about if she pulls her hair back, she'll still be able to see it. At the top portion, notice the angle started to shift. I'll tell you why and the reason behind it. I was talking about intention 2, 3, 75. We're anchoring in this top with this top, right in the middle range, 75. So I'm shadow rooting, a lot of lightness right in here. Going in with my high riser one more time. Last one. And I'm just going to go in and ever so lightly add this up. Take my foil into these strands. That's going to be more transitional. Apply, apply, apply. Push up, up, up. Sweep, sweep, sweep. Of the head. Always follow the roundness of the head. That's going to be your saving grace and your win to really make your balayages super ultimate and super customizable. That's where the magic happens. Did you learn something today?